So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We've swapped our drill bit over to a 5mm, and I'm going to drill the two holes, the green LED and the red LED. Nice and slow, holding onto it really firmly, safety glasses on, nice and slow, holding really firmly, all the way through. One hole, second hole for the red LED, holding it nice and firmly, nice and slow, no rush, and then I'm going to drill it for, now I'm going to take the drill piece out and put the 6mm in and drill a hole for the switch to go into. So that one comes out, 6mm goes in, you won't need to change drill pieces over, the teacher will do that for you. So here we go, lining up on our switch hole, there it is, power on, hold on to it nice and tight, and pressing down slowly, nice and slowly, all the way through, turn it off, here's the swarf away. So there we have all our holes in our baseboard. Next up, we're going to take it to the oven, heat it up and bend our lines. So join me next time in the next tutorial for that task. Cheers guys.